Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have a subscription box that I want to share. I got my Allure Beauty Box. This is one of my favorite boxes every month. I just love it. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, I'm going to open the box up here, and we've got, okay, here's a sneak peek at what's in here. It looks like smaller items than normal, but some of them come with a powerful punch. And so I'm just going to get started with the order that they came in here. And so the first thing on here, we got a full size. This is for Tula Skincare, one of my favorite skincares. I use their cleanser. It's my holy grail. It has been for over a year. So I love that. I have the pink one of this that kind of lightens your under eyes, but this one it's got a cooling effect. It comes like this. You open it up and this pushes up like this. And anyway, I did use this. I opened my box like I wanted to get a look at things, and I tried this before I put on my makeup, and actually with my skincare, but this feels so good. I like it, and I think it, honestly, you guys, I see visual effects because I've not been looking great. I'm a mess, okay? Those of you who follow me, I lost a niece who was like a daughter to me, just 2 or 3, well, it hasn't been a month yet, but I'm dealing with that and some of the fallout from that. And then I got injured. I fell in the dark in my own house. I was going to bed and anyway, hit something, fell, and I hurt my tailbone so bad. So I'm in major pain. So I didn't look good, or I didn't look good before my makeup. I looked horrible. And so I put this on and it works. Okay. It like helped a lot. So anyway, that's my sob story. And that's my story about this, and I really, really like it. It's going to be in my daily routine, I can tell already. So that was the first thing. Now the value on this is $38 right there. So that more than pays for the box. Honestly, if you go to Tula's website, that's what you're going to pay for this. So anyway, that was a great first item to pull out here. So the next thing, first I'm going to tell you, I'm going to read this because I kind of like this. It talked about the box and why they chose some of the things. It says, getting warmer, like slushy drinks and popsicles, the products in July's Allure Beauty Box are refreshing summer treats. There's a skin cooling balm from Tula that we just saw that feels heavenly and depuffs under eyes. A rum-inspired perfume oil from Malin and Goetz that will have you dreaming of beachy nights, and a gold-flecked primer from Yves Saint Laurent that warms skin with the kind of glow you'd get during sunset. These are Allure editors' favorite ways to cool things down and heat them up this summer. So anyway, we'll get to some of those other items they mentioned, plus more. So the second item I have here is the perfume from Malin and Goetz, and it is, I'm not a big rum fan, smell or whatever. Actually, I'm not a big rum smell fan, or like rum cake or that kind of thing, but this is what it looks like. Now, I put it on just a little bit right here. Let's see. And I actually really like it. And because it's an oil, it has a little bit of lasting power, so you're going to be able to smell it for quite a while. They say just to rub it on your pulse points and even the back of your knees. And so, anyway, so it does have a very fresh kind of a summery scent, but I like it. So I'm excited. I love, and that it's a perfume oil, so it's more powerful. This actually was $36 and it's a full size product. So we're already at 36 and 38, 78, 74. Is that make us at 74? Yeah, $74 for 2 items. The box was $25. So I pay less because I get it in bulk. I pay for it all up front for the year or whatever. But so this, yeah, great. I love it. So the next thing I have is from Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, it's another bougie product. This right here is the, it's called the Beauty Blur Primer, okay? It's a blur primer, and this, normally it's $56 for 30 milliliters. I got 10 milliliters here, which would make it, this product right here is $18.66, and I'm really excited when I heard about it. So this, it's just a small little tube, and you can kind of see gold flecks in it, and it has this little, what do you call it? Applicator. So, but they say that, I'm just put on a little bit on my finger right here. A little goes a long way on this. And it says even though it has the gold speckles, it doesn't leave, it leaves kind of a shimmer on your face. Now this, just doing it on my finger here, it feels actually really good. So, there's a little bit of a smell to it, but anyway, I'm excited to use this, and I love it because it's compact, so it's good for travel. So that's actually a good primer to take traveling, and it's the kind of primers I like, so I'm excited about that. And then once again, we just added almost $19 to our 74, so we're over $100 with the first 3 products. Pretty amazing. Okay, so the 4th product is another bougie product, but it's a small size. This is by Row, and this is, it's a cream. They call it Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. So they say to put this on at night instead of your other moisturizer, and you just leave it on, and I guess it does wonders on your skin overnight. So this product is $142 for 65 milliliters. So the full size, that's the full size. This right here is, this is 10 milliliters. So it's $21.51 if you break it down from the original price of the full size. So $21 for just a small amount, but so it better be good. Now I have become a fan of By Row, so I'm kind of excited about it. So there we go. And so that is the 4th item. The 5th item I have here is another full-size item valued at $52. Okay, so this is the Pore Refining Exfoliator. Okay, now this, they say to use it once a week, and it says it has, I'm going to just read what it says about it here. It says, why you'll love it, the PHA in the name stands for polyhydroxy acids, which are exfoliants that tend to be gentler than other chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs, but they still do a great job of removing dead cells so your skin can feel smoother, look more radiant, and the rest of your skin can penetrate better. So anyway, just says to use once a week. I'm loving exfoliators. I like to use them in the shower, and I usually do maybe twice a week, but this says to use once a week. So anyway, but excited about that. Another $52 product, you guys. This box is killing it again, like it always does. I'm really happy about these products. They're products I will use and like. And so the last The sixth product is Native Spa, and this is Rose Replenishing Body Lotion. Now, I'm not a fan of rose, but it says this is a fruity. I believe it says it's a fruity smell. So anyway, they say good things about it. The full size of this is $29. It's actually quite a bit bigger than this one. This is just a sample size, so the sample size is like $2, $2.29 or something like that when you divide it up. But anyway, so that was the one product that we just got a sample of that's not, but it's also, you know, you could just throw this in your bag or whatever. So still a nice sample to get. So anyway, we have that one. We have the exfoliator that we just talked about. We have the night mask by Ro. We have the Melanin Goats oil, perfume oil. The YSL blurring primer that's supposed to give a glow. And the Tula eye stick. So there we go. That's all 6 items right here. What do you guys think? I think it's a pretty good box. I think Allure kills it every time. I mean, every once in a while you'll get a box that's a little bit of a dud, not things you think you'll use. Actually, this box is everything in here I'll use. And so you can't complain about that. And the value is definitely there. So still loving Allure. If you guys haven't tried it, it's probably one I would recommend to definitely try. And so anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your support. I'd love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.